Support the channel with a like and subscribe so I can keep creating amazing coding content for you. Let me walk you through an example of how the JavaScript HTML DOM EventListener works. This code demonstrates how to create an interactive web page with a button that, when clicked, displays the current date and time. Meta tag for character encoding, ensuring proper display of characters. Meta tag for responsive design to scale the page for mobile devices. Title of the page displayed in the Browser tab. Button element with an ID, click me BTN to make it easy to reference in JavaScript. Button is a variable that stores the reference to the button element document. Get element by ID. Click me BTN searches for the HTML element with the ID, click me BTN. This makes it possible to manipulate this specific button in the DOM document object model. Add event listener is a method used to listen for specific events on an HTML element. The first argument, click, specifies the type of event we are listening for. In this case, a mouse click. The second argument is a function that will run when the click event occurs. This makes the button interactive. When the button is clicked, the code inside the function will execute. When the button is clicked, the function inside add event listener will execute current date time is a variable that stores the current date and time. New date is an expression that returns a date object representing the current date, and time this will capture the exact time the button was clicked. Console log is a function used to output data to the browser's developer console for debugging. In this case, we are printing the message button clicked at, followed by the current date and time. This helps us verify that the button's click event is working and gives us information about the time. Button Inner text is a property of the button element that lets us get or set the text inside the button here. We change the button's text to indicate when it was clicked. Inner text is modified to show a new message along with the current date and time. This provides immediate visual feedback to the user, updating the button's text with the time of the click. Now run our code. If you're into coding, and I hope you are, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. It's super simple, and it helps me bring you more tutorials, fun coding challenges, and tech tips. Plus, you'll get notified every time something new goes up, so you won't miss a thing. Go ahead, click those buttons, I'll wait.